Everyone has to start somewhere. For Haas Automation, it started 30 years ago with a simple vision: build a vertical machining center right here in the US for a fair price. Easier said than done? Not for Gene Haas. If he said he was going to do something, you'd better believe he meant to get it done. Haas already had a history of innovating, beginning with our industry-changing, numerically controlled 5C indexer. In just a few short years, the HA5C helped Haas Automation grow into the largest rotary supplier in the US. So when Haas set out to introduce our first VMC to the world, we did it the only way we know how, the right way. In September of 1988, Haas showed up at the nation's largest machine tool show, IMTS in Chicago, for the first time, with our first machine, a folding table, and a couple of chairs. That first machine needed a name. Haas had no marketing department, so Gene and his engineers decided, well, this is our very first machine, why not call it the very first one? And the VF-1 was born. Today, just 30 years later, Haas Automation has built over 200,000 machine tools. We still sell a VF-1, of course, along with an expansive line of verticals and lathes, horizontal machines, and of course, rotary tables to fit every need. But our vision hasn't changed. Build high-performance machines right here in Southern California for a fair price. Even after 30 years, some things never change.